So we are students of the Data Analytics for Business program in Clair College, and we have a club called Data Club, and as a part of our club and as an initiative for the college marketing team, we have built a dashboard of a survey that we conducted of the visitors today, and this is a live dashboard of the data that we had collected for today's open house, and my friends will explain more about what the dashboard is about and how the data was collected from the visitors.
Hi. So we had an amazing team of almost 10 volunteers who were able to collect data from 207 visitors, and they took less than a minute to complete the survey. Most of them are from Assumption College and then followed by Vincent Massey, and most of them find the time and time and length of the event comfortable and suitable, and they found information technology the most interesting school. Out of that, they are more interested in cybersecurity courses and then diagnostic medical sonogram. So we were able to collect this survey using Microsoft Forms, which was connected to on cloud using Power Query, and then we built the dashboard using Power BI. So it is a live dashboard which updates every 30 minutes, but in between we had to do it manually because of the limitations we have.
It's also an interactive plugin.
Yeah, it's actually pretty interactive. Each visual acts like a filter. So we'll be sharing the more insights and details and detailed report with the management team, along with the contact details of the visitors who have given their email IDs and contact names. So that way they will be able to reach out to the visitors and give them more details about the courses and attract the students to the college.
Okay, I'm Ambli. I'm the president of the Data Analytics Club, which is an SRC student club in Clair College. This is our vice president Dilip, and that's Joel, our secretary. We are a club of about 190 members.